We all know the greatest battle and war ever happened on the planet will always end at certain point. But there is one silent battle that's going on for 100 years. And many of you may not know it. And that's an untold battle of women against this aggressive breast cancer. Well, here's the shocking information, today's statistics. For every 15 seconds, a woman will have breast cancer somewhere in the world. How fascinating, but how shocking it is. And you could see the famous Hollywood actor Angelina Jolie. She did not have breast cancer, but her mother passed away with breast cancer. And she sent her DNA samples to the top doctors to analyze what's there. And the doctor called, "Hey, Angelina, you have a chance of getting the breast cancer." And you know what the toughest decision she took? Remove away my breast. I want to live a life. And the toughest call was like the important organ of the woman was removed from her just for a preventive measure. Not even that she had the breast cancer. And that's how aggressive this breast cancer is. And in labs like mine, I'm like a detective to find the culprit inside this cancer cells. What actually drives this cancer? The genetics, you all know, the genes, DNA. And that's my job. My mission is to decode which gene actually makes this cancer more aggressive. And you know, to study this kind of cancer, we have live cancer cells. And that's on a plate. And we took the cells not recently, but 51 years ago. And we scientists have managed to keep the cells alive for 51 years. And we use some fancy gadgets like microscope, and then we use advanced technology to manipulate the DNA inside those cancer cells to see what the cancer does. Sometimes the cancer reduces its growth. Sometimes the cancer grows very aggressively. And by knowing this, we can actually use this genetics as a molecular warrior to fight against this aggressive breast cancer. Well, to all of you to understand, I'll give you an example. This whole seminar room is a giant cell, and each one of you is a genetic molecule. Imagine some are stubborn, some are kind, and some are very humble. And all of you together gives life to this seminar room. Similarly, different genetic molecule in cancer give its life. So the time we know, we can use them as a therapeutic molecule. And by the time I end this presentation, unfortunately, around 12 women somewhere in the world will have this cancer. So every molecule that I discover, we can get closer, an inch closer, just to kill this aggressive cancer. Thank you all.